Hi everyone, welcome back to EVS class. In the last class, we learned about different tastes, the taste buds of the tongue, the locations of taste buds, the digestive system, and how digestion works in our body, etc. So, in this class, I'm going to tell you about a poem called Martin's Window. We usually see the name window for a house or something. But here it is connected with a person named Martin. Why it is like that? Do you know? Let's see. Before that, we can recite this poem. Martin's Window. Here is an old story, it seems so funny. There was a window in Martin's tummy. Actually, by mistake, Martin was shot right in the stomach. It bled a lot. The wound slowly healed and was covered by skin, but the hole was still there. You could peep right in. Oh, what a chance for doctors to study what happens to the food inside the body. The story seems odd, but it is really true. The secret of Martin's stomach helped us all, me and you. What do you understand from this poem? Do you think this poem is funny? No, it is not funny. It is really true story. This poem is about a soldier called Martin. His full name is Alexis Saint Martin. He is Martin. When he was 18 years old, he was shot and seriously injured. At that time, Dr. Beaumont was called to treat him. He is a Dr. William Beaumont. Beaumont cleaned his wound and put the dressing. After 1.5 years, the doctor found that the Martin's wound had healed except for one thing. What is that thing? He had a big hole in his stomach. The hole was covered with a loose flap of skin, like the washer in football. If you press the skin, you could peep into Martin's stomach. Not only that, the doctor could also take out food from the stomach by putting a tube in the hole. At that time, scientists did not know how food was digested. Dr. Beaumont took some liquid or juices out of the stomach. See, like this. He wanted to see what would happen to a food item kept in a glass filled with it. Would it get digested on its own? For this, he did an experiment. With the help of a tube, he took out some digestive juices from the stomach. Then, at 8:30 a.m., he put 20 tiny pieces of boiled fish in 10 milliliters of the juice. See? He kept the glass at the same temperature as that of our stomach, means 30 degrees Celsius. When he checked at 2 p.m., he found that the pieces of fish had dissolved. Dr. Beaumont tried this experiment with the different food items. He gave Martin the same food at the same time and then he compared how long it took for food to be digested in the glass and in the Martin's stomach. He recorded his observations in a table. Here is a part of observation table. First food item, unboiled milk. Time taken for digestion in the stomach, 2 hours 15 minutes. But in the glass with the digestive juices, 4 hours 45 minutes. Next, boiled milk, 2 hours in the stomach, 4 hours 15 minutes in the glass with the digestive juices. Next, full boiled egg, 3 hours 30 minutes in the stomach but 8 hours in the glass with the digestive juices. Next, half boiled egg, 3 hours in the stomach, 6 hours 30 minutes in the glass with the digestive juices. Next, raw egg beaten, 2 hours in the stomach but 4 hours 50 minutes in the glass with the digestive juices. Next, raw egg, 1 hour 30 minutes in the stomach but 4 hours in the glass with the digestive juices. From this experiment, he found that food digests faster in the stomach than outside. The doctor also saw that the food did not digest properly when Martin was sad. He also found that the juice in our stomach is acidic. Have you heard of anyone talking about acidity? Tell me. Have you heard? Especially when that person has not eaten well or the food is not digested properly? Yes, we heard many times. Now, you check this picture. You can see 2 patients here. This is Dr. Abarna's patients. One is Rashmi and second one Kailash. Rashmi, she is 5 years old, but she looked like a 3 years old. She has very thin arms and legs. You can see in this picture. And pot belly. What is that pot belly? Stomach like a balloon. She often feels sick and feels tired so that she cannot go to school regularly. She is only getting 1 meal or 1 roti a whole day. Next one is Kailash. He is 7 years old, but he looks older than his age. His body is fat, flabby and pain in his leg. He is not very active. He goes to school by bus and spends many hours to watching TV. He does not like to eat homemade food. He likes to eat fast food like pizza, burger, etc. We know that fast food is not good for our health. Dr. Abarna measured the height and weight of both of them and told to them there is only one treatment for both of them. What is that? Yes, it is a proper food. What is that proper food? Proper food means a nutritious food in sufficient amount as per the need of a person. In our country, about half the children are like a Rashmi. They do not get enough food that they need to grow and develop properly. These children are weak and sicky. Sicky means poor in health. But it is the right of every child to get proper food. Now look at Gomdi. She has 30 years old. She works in the field of rich farmer. For all her hard work, she paid a very little amount of money. But that money is not sufficient for her and their family. So in our country, most of the family, they are not having a proper food. If you are not eating proper food, you will be sick, isn't it? Yes. Now look at Nidu's problem. What happened to her? Neetu was very sick. All the day she was vomiting and she also had a loose motion. Whatever she ate, she vomited. Her father gave her sugar and salt solution. We know that if anyone have a vomiting and loose motion, we used to give a sugar and salt solution, isn't it? Yes. So her father also gave sugar and salt solution. By evening, Neetu was feeling weak and dizzy. When she got up to that doctor, she fainted. Her father had to carry her to the doctor. The doctor said that Neetu should get admitted in the hospital. She needs to be given glucose drip. Hearing this, Neetu got confused. She knew that during the games period in school, the teacher sometimes gave them glucose to drink. But what was a glucose drip? At that time, Dr. Anji explained, glucose drip is a solution given to people who are suffering from low blood sugar or dehydration. It will give you instant energy even without eating. So, these are the things we are learning in this chapter. Now it is the time to give homework. Here is your homework. First one, why do you think Rashmi could eat only one roti in the whole day? Then, second one, do you know any child who does not get enough to eat in the whole day? What are the reasons for this? So these are the two homework. So see you on next class. Bye bye.